Welcome once more. In today's video, we are going to solve the 2023 Paper 1 Mathematics Grade 9 question 26, which is about number bases. And in this question, we are required to convert 1.25 to a number n base 2. So this question comes, or this topic should I say, is a grade 9 somewhere grade 9 grade 8 topic. So I love this I love this topic because I myself am a computer and mathematics teacher, so this topic is like a blend between the two subjects that I teach. So this is a very interesting topic. So if you see a question that is involving you to convert a certain number like so to a number in base 2, this means that this number is in a base, should I say base 10? Okay, so we are required to change it into base 2. Now, this number has two parts. It has this part, the whole number part, and then it has this part, the decimal part. So this part is the whole number part, and we need to convert those numbers separately. So we are first going to convert this whole number part, which is 1 into base 2. Then we are also going to convert this 0.25 in base 2. Then we are going to merge the answers together, not add them but just combine them. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So let us indicate step 1, and we're going to say 112 decimal. That's what we call binary digits with a decimal point. We call them decimal. So how do we convert 1 into base 2? We repeatedly divide the number by 2. So what is 11? Should I say, yeah, this is 11, not 1 because it's in base 10. So what is 11 divided by 2? 11 divided by 2 is 5, because 2 goes into 11 5 times remainder 1. So remainder what? Remainder a 1, like so. So now, since we're not done, we have to divide again by 2. This same number here, we have to divide by 2, not the remainder but the number here, the quotient. So we have to divide 5 by 2. What is 2 into 5? 2 into 5 is 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. Remainder what? Remainder a 1. We are only going to stop when we get the quotient or the number after division becomes a 0. That's when we are going to stop. So now, since this number is not 0, we continue. So what is 2 divided by 2? 2 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 0. Since this number, the quotient is not 0, we have to continue dividing by 2. So what is 1 divided by 2? It is going to be 0, remainder 1. Okay, so that's it. So when we are finding a number in base 10 to base 2, these remainders, we read them from bottom to the top. So this is not 1101 but 1011. So we're going to say therefore 1, or should I say 11 base 10, because it's in base 10. So it's legible to say that 11. Unless it were in base 2, we could have said 1. Now since it's in base 10, it's 11. So this is 11 base 10 is equals to 1011. So it's equal to 1011 base 2. So we have converted this part in base 2. Now remaining to convert 0.25 in base 2. So we're done with step 1, which is converting 11 into base 2. Now let us convert 25 into base 2. So I'm going to say step 2. We're going to convert 0.25 to decimal. So when we are converting this whole number part to base 2, we divide continuously by 2 the way we were doing here. But when we are converting a decimal number to base 2, we have to multiply by 2 repeatedly. So this is what I mean by that. This is 0.25, so we're going to say 0.25 multiplied by 2. Let me do this so that we can do the computation here. So 0.25 times 2, sorry, I've gotten a bit messy here. I'm rushing because of some reasons. What is 2 times 5? 2 times 5 is 10, so it's 0 carry 1. What is 2 times 2? It is 4, plus that one is going to be 5. So since there is no number after the decimal point, it's just going to be 0.0. So 0.25 times 2 equals 0.5. We are only going to get this part because 0 here is not significant. So that's the product. So now we continue. We only end when this decimal, or should I say fractional part of the product here, or the answer, becomes 0. Now since this is not 0, we have to continuously multiply by 2 unless this part here becomes 0. So we're going to get this number that we obtained, 0.5 multiplied by 2 as well. So this is easy. I shouldn't even multiply here. It's going to be 1.0. So now since this part here is 0, we end with our multiplication. Now when we are multiplying by 2, we are or should I say, when we want to interpret our answers, by the way, are these numbers here, these numbers at this left hand side. So we read these numbers from top to bottom. So this is going to be 0.25 base 10 is equal to 0.1 base 2. So that's what I mean. So the final answer will be to merge this and this. Okay, so it's going to be 1011.01. So there is a point here. There is a point. So therefore, Therefore, 1.25 base 10 equals this number here, 1011 point, and this number here, 0.1 base 2. So that's the answer to this problem. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and if you liked watching and learning from this video, I encourage you to like and subscribe and share to your friends and all that stuff. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant day.